Alright, yo. What's going on, guys? I'm here with Dave. Dude, we're in the middle of the desert. Dude, this is so dope. I just want to make this quick clip for you guys because it is Troy's birthday. What's up? Oh, man. Dude, we are in the middle of God knows where. But, yeah, the basis of this video is, like, have fun. Do weird exploration shit. Like, we're in the middle of the desert. Somehow I have iPhone connection. I don't know how I even have service out here. But look, we have all the ATVs and the RVRs, whatever they call them over here. Like, enjoy life. You get one shot at this, right? You get one shot at enjoying the things that you love. You get one shot at enjoying the things with the people you love, right? A lot of us right now are afraid to, like, do adventurous shit or, like, you know, do certain things. It's all part of having fun. Hope that's what you guys get out of my content, because I don't really have any boundaries. So, yeah, you know, just really here to inspire you and motivate you and just make sure you're happy and doing the best that you can do. Like, that's all we can really do out here, guys. It's just do the best that you can, try your best, and enjoy life. Take it from me. I was once a complete fucking loser, and yeah, I really had no path, I had no direction what I wanted to do. I couldn't afford things like this. So, the only way it's possible for you, if you're willing to go out of your comfort zone, put the work in, and just fucking be yourself. Like, I've never made less money, you know, or more money by switching up who I was. Like, stop trying to be someone you're not and have fun being yourself. Have fun, guys. Live life and fucking crush it.